as I've never mentioned, I love me some space. So let me react to the top strangest planets in the known universe. Check it out.
The planet J1407b is
Mm,
located 400 light years away from Earth and boasts planetary rings that are 200 times bigger than the rings of Saturn. Scientists don't completely understand how this strange planet managed to acquire rings of such an enormous size. The rings of
I'll tell you how. God, God done put the planet up in a way that's so like it's so, if I could say, doesn't make any sense. To that, scientists started like questioning how is that possible. But hey, God did it, bro. God did it, Holmes.
J1407b are so large that if Saturn's rings were as large, they would dominate the Earth's sky and appear
Damn,
much larger than a full moon.
that looks like a Doctor Strange portal, bro.
Inside the Crux constellation, approximately 300 light years from the Earth,
Ain't these the
lies
same
the
numbers they were
loneliest
using
planet in
Breaking
the
Bad,
known
bro?
universe.
I might just trip.
Cataloged as HD 106906b, this planet is 11 times bigger than Jupiter. Astronomers
Mm.
have dubbed this planet as a super Jupiter. HD 106906 orbits its parent star at a distance 20 times greater than the space between the Sun and Neptune,
Damn.
which is about 60 billion miles. Its extremely unusual distance from its star makes it one of the loneliest and isolated planets in existence. Over 750 light years away from our solar system lies a planet known as Trace 2b.
How many light
750
years?
light years away from the and isolated planets in existence. Over 750 light years is so little light
750
that
light
the
years, bro.
atmosphere of Trace 2b reflects less light than coal and black acrylic paint does. The tiny fraction of light that isn't reflected by the planet's thick and suffocating atmosphere is faintly red, causing the planet to dimly glow in an evil red
Mm.
color.
Nice,
The
bro. That's
planet
that's
55
beautiful, man. That's beautiful.
Cancri E is a girl's best friend, because 55 Cancri E is actually just a massive diamond out in space orbiting a distant star.
Damn, for real,
When
bro.
50
I need to go. Hold on, man.
just a massive diamond out in space orbiting a distant star. When 55 Cancri E was formed,
Yeah, I need to go to 55 Can't Quite E or whatever they call it, bro. I need me to dig. Give me some money on this earth,
it was
bro.
comprised mostly of carbon, and thanks to the intense pressure and heat from its parent star,
Mm.
55 Cancri E compressed into a massive, unpolished diamond. This diamond planet is so
Did they get
huge
tickets to
that it
that
has been
planet, bro? I
valued
need to
at an
go there.
incomprehensible $26.9 nonillion, which is only about
Damn.
384 quintillion times the Earth's GDP.
Yeah, we'll probably
But
say,
before you
no,
set out
I
for
don't know
this
what that
diamond
is.
planet with a
For real,
drill,
bro. I don't know what that
55
is.
Cancri E is located over 40 light years away from Earth. And if you were still somehow able to bring the diamonds back with you, the
Mm.
sheer amount of diamonds you would collect from the planet would crash Earth's diamond market instantly, making your diamonds
Let's
completely
go.
worthless.
No, 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 no. I won't be selling them all at the same time, bro. I will be selling like a few chunks of it. You know what I'm saying? A few chunks of it here and there, making me some money. And then when I'm about to die, I'm gonna say like, look, everybody making money now. I'm gonna change the game. Give my whole diamonds up. Diamonds will be worthless. You know what I'm
Gliese
saying?
436
I'm gonna
is a
be a menace
recently
with
discovered
it.
ice planet that is about the size of Neptune. While that alone may not be very surprising, what is surprising about Gliese
Gleaser.
436b's is that it's so close to its parent star that its icy surface is constantly on fire all year round. So you may be wondering, how could this happen? How could ice, of all things, burn constantly? Well, astronomers have
God
determined that
knows.
the reason why the icy surface of Gliese 436 never melts, despite the hellish inferno on its surface, is because of gravity. The gravitational
Hmm?
force of Gliese 436b is so strong the ice covering its surface is physically prevented from evaporating, leaving the planet perpetually enveloped in icy flames. WASP-12b is a planet that orbits dangerously close to its parent
Wasp.
star. WASP-12b orbits so close that it is slowly being eaten alive. Every orbit drags
Damn.
more of the planet's mass into its hungry star, and because of the immensely strong shearing
I want to know something. Is this like, will this be affect, like, for example, so say like some planet is another one and stuff goes on in outer space, does that affect any other way the what's going on with our planet or not.
Gravitational force originating from its star, WASP-12b has
If any
even been distorted
NASA
into an
if any NASA employee watches this video, please tell me, man.
unnatural egg shape. Gliese 581c is a planet that scientists have concluded could possibly support life. But Gliese
Yeah, that's what I mean. Oh, okay.
581c
My
is
bad. I
no
didn't mean
ordinary
nothing.
planet, and even though it could theoretically support life, it does not at all look like Earth. Gliese 581c orbits a tiny red dwarf star, and because it is tidally locked, one side of the planet is constantly subjected to harsh sunlight, while the other half remains forever shrouded in darkness. The only place where you or anything else could survive on Gliese 581c is in the narrow strip of twilight between the two sides, where the temperature can support life.
Yeah, we don't
The
want to go
skies
there.
of Gliese 581c are a deep crimson, and every plant on the surface would have to use
Wow.
infrared light for photosynthesis, giving them a deep black color instead of green.
Wow.
Because of this planet's amazing potential for life, in 2008, a message was broadcasted directly at Gliese 581c in hopes of making contact with life there.
Hey, bro, why are we always looking for other places to live, others like other planets for life, and we're not even taking care of the one that we're in? It's like you know, when you got when you got so much money that you be buying stuff and not even looking at the stuff that you bought. I don't know if that makes any sense. But I mean, bro, we got a lot of problems here to fix. This Earth is good, bro. This planet is good for us. Everything is good. We got water, we got sun, we got coal, we got everything is like fit perfectly for us. Why do we have to go outside and then manage photosynthesis and then manage how to find water and then, bro, everything's cool for here for us. Why do we need to leave?
The message should
I don't
reach
know.
Gliese 581c in 2029. Nicknamed Waterworld, a planet cataloged as GJ1214b has been identified as an ocean planet that has absolutely no
GJ the
land,
DJ.
not unlike the water planet seen in the movie Interstellar. And anyone on the surface of GJ1214b would only see ocean in all directions. The global oceans on GJ1214b are also miles deep, stretching all the way down into the planet's core, making GJ1214b a unique water planet. WASP-17b is very
Oh, we
unusual
got another
because
wasp?
it is the largest planet ever discovered. Coming at over 1.9 times the size of Jupiter, WASP-17b's size and low density has confounded astronomers. In fact, it is so large that WASP-17b's existence violates our current understanding of how planets form. Perhaps even more oddly, WASP-17b has a retrograde orbit, meaning this planet orbits in the opposite direction of its parent star. Most planets do not orbit this way, making
Wow.
WASP-17b a rare stellar mystery. Known as
Who's number one?
HD 188753, this planet is located in probably
This planet is so clear.
the most bizarre solar system in the known universe. Located 151 light years away, this planet's solar system has 3 stars. That means anyone standing on HD 188753 would have triple shadows, witness almost daily solar eclipses, and see a sunset no matter which direction they faced on the planet.
Bro, ain't space trippy, bro. All that I could say is God is the greatest, man. Like he made all of that, bro. Like we look at our world and we think it's like too beautiful and we think it's like out of this world and we sometimes we be in awe of the like sceneries that we see sometimes, you know, when you go to a forest or when you visit a mountain or whatever. But bro, when you see this picture of outer space or when you see these like when like these astronauts be going to space and they be taking pics of like space, bro. I don't know, man. If I'm a speak about the topic, I'm speaking for hours, bro. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna end up this video.